sort of the strength and resilience of its economy. If you believe, for example, that the U.S. should own gold, and I do, then you should probably make that logical jump to say we should own Bitcoin as well, because Bitcoin is more divisible, more portable. It is a more flexible asset. There has been a lot of talk of tying the U.S. dollar, maybe not going back to a gold standard, but perhaps pegging it to a basket of commodities that could include Bitcoin, gold, platinum, maybe oil, agricultural products, so that the dollar stops inflating away, its value stops inflating away so much, and it's pegged to really, real-world value, things with large markets. And the Bitcoin commodity market is now larger than silver. So I think that it would help strengthen the dollar and strengthen the U.S. economy to have such a reserve. So I'm hopeful that we can continue this conversation with policymakers and that we'll see advances in the coming years.
And you, Dr. Marwan, from your perspective, from a city-state or a nation-state, why is Bitcoin a valuable technology?
So when we looked at Bitcoin back in 2014 as the Dubai government and the UAE government, we looked at the technology, which is blockchain technology. And in 2016, we were one of the first in the world to announce a Bitcoin and blockchain strategy for the country and the city as well. So we started Bitcoin in 2012. Our first event was 2014. Our strategy was 2016 till 2020 for blockchain, to realize every applicable use case using the technology behind Bitcoin, which is blockchain technology, and every applicable use case within the government and also semi-government use cases. So that's within government organization or across different government organizations. And what we realized is there are three value takes from blockchain technology. One is record keeping and notarization, and then as a medium of exchange, and the third one was smart contracts, so programmable money. And this is what we went to market with, and this is what we experimented with until actually we launched our own regulators within the blockchain space, which are VARA, which is Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority, which is a made-for-purpose regulator that does not regulate the underlying asset or categorize that, but rather regulate the activity of the virtual asset service provider.
All right. Well, so sort of two perspectives from two very different parts of the world, two geopolitical actors who have a lot of different incentives and different strategies for navigating the modern age. Matt, why is it that you can have someone who is a former policymaker from the U.S. government, somebody that's here from Dubai, who works closely with the government on technology issues and policy there, arriving at the same conclusion that this asset, this network,